I know how frustrating it can be trying to make money online. I know you've watched several videos on YouTube and none of them seem to be working. And that is why in today's video, I'm literally going to show you how to make money right here on YouTube. And no, you don't need to create any content. You don't need to create any videos. I'm going to show you how to do this with YouTube community post. And don't worry, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google, which means you can make a lot of money right here on YouTube. And no, you don't need any prior experience, and anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. So before we get into the video, all you simply need to do is to create a very simple community post like this, which is going to contain 3 elements. And the first element is the title of this post, and the second is hashtag. And this is because you want to target specific people to see this content. And the third element is image, because you need image to captivate people's attention when they are scrolling through the mobile feed. And once they see this post, they are likely to read through this post and they are going to see our affiliate link. And when they click on the link, they go to the offer page, they complete the offer, we make money. And as you can see, this is one of my YouTube channels right here. And as you can see, this channel belongs to me. And this post right here got over 1,000 likes, and as you can see, it got a very high engagement. And I'm going to show you the result of this post in a moment. And if I come over to my CPA account, you can see I tried this method with several countries to make sure anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. And as you can see for yourself, all countries have different payout. You can see for India here, over $300, and for United States, over $2,000. Okay, so as you can see, all countries are not the same. So I highly recommend to target tier 1 countries so that you can get higher payouts like this. Okay, so I'm literally going to walk you through how you can do this step by step in today's video. So it's very important to mention that to target specific users in specific country to complete our CPA offers, you will need a proxy. And yes, it's necessary to use a proxy. And I have personally been experimenting with various proxy providers, trying to find out the highest quality provider for us to make money promoting these CPA offers. And I've discovered a relatively new proxy provider called NodeMaven. And they have 90% quality proxies, which means they are clean, safe to use, and they are the best in the market right now. Unlike other popular providers I have tried, which barely have 25 clean proxies in their database. And don't worry, I am going to prove to you right now and show you the quality of NodeMaven proxy. And this is because every proxy has its own quality score, which determines how suitable it is to make money with that proxy. The lower the score of the proxy, the easier it is for websites like YouTube, Facebook, or any social media platform to detect that you are using a proxy. So that is why it's very important to use a high quality proxy, because it's going to prevent you from getting your account banned and prevent you from losing money. And the easiest way to test for the quality of a proxy is by using this tool called PixelScan. And now we are going to test the quality of NodeMaven proxy in this video. So as you can see right here, I am currently in my NodeMaven account, and all I need to do from here is to come over to the country section. And just like I showed you in my CPA account, you can target any country of your choice. So for me, I am going to take United States. So all I need to do is to select United States, and as you can see, it's going to automatically generate 5 proxy for me. So I'm going to type in 30 here so that it can generate 30 proxies for us, and we are going to test the quality of this proxy. So all I need to do is to copy this proxy. So if I come back to PixelScan and I paste in the NodeMaven proxies here and I click on check proxies, and as you can see for yourself, the quality of NodeMaven proxy is very high. So which means you can literally use NodeMaven proxies without having any issue with any social media network. And we are going to be using their proxies to make money promoting CPA offers. So all you simply need to do is to click on the first link in the description, and it's going to bring you to this page. And if you scroll down, as you can see for yourself, they have very affordable plans starting from 30 euros for 5 gigabytes of traffic up to 240 euros for 50 gigabytes of traffic. And now if you want to try Node Maven proxy out, you can simply scroll to the top here and click on start trial. So once you select any of the package, all you simply need to do is to come over to the apply coupon. And if you type in XP in this box and you click on apply, you are going to get extra 2 gigabytes of free traffic. And keep in mind, your bandwidth does not expire until you use it up. And also, Node Maven is currently giving away 50 gigabytes of proxies. All you simply need to do to qualify for the 50 gigabyte giveaway is to click on the first link in the description, and you want to scroll down here and purchase any of these plans to qualify for this giveaway. And by the end of October, I'm going to announce 10 winners that are going to get 10 free gigabytes of traffic in their Node Maven account. And keep in mind, this doesn't apply to the trial. Only people who subscribe to the packages qualify to the 50 gigabyte free traffic. So moving on to the video, all you simply need to do to make money promoting CPA offers with YouTube community posts is to come over to Offer Vault. And this is a platform where you can find various CPA networks. You can come over to the filter section, and here you can pick any CPA network of your choice. But for this video, we are going to be taking cpagrip.com, and this is because they are beginner friendly and anyone can sign up to cpagrip.com and get accepted right away. So once you come over to cpagrip.com, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I highly recommend to go for countries that have higher payouts like United States, Canada, UK, United Kingdom, New Zealand. Okay, so now you want to then come over to my offers. So now I'm going to take United States as an example. And now you want to basically look for offer that is available on both Android and iOS. So I'm going to take this offer here as an example, which says claim your 750 cash for travel now. And keep in mind, it's almost end of the year and a lot of people are going to be looking to travel out for vacation and all that. So definitely this is a very good offer to promote right now, as people would definitely want to take advantage of opportunity to win $750 to travel for free. Okay, so all you then need to do from here is to simply right click and save this image to your device. So once you save this image to your device, you want to simply come over to the tracking domain, and I highly recommend to go for the top 2 tracking domain right here. This is because these domains are relatively new, and when promoting this link, you are unlikely to have any issue. Okay, so I'm going to take this one here as an example, rileymarker.com. So all you just need to do is to then click on copy. All you then need to do is to go over to any URL shortener of your choice, be it bit.ly.com or cut.ly. So you can use any of these URL shorteners to shorten your CPA offer link. Alternatively, you can create a landing page if you want to do that, but using a URL shortener is sufficient. So once you have your link, the next step is to start creating this YouTube account. And to do that, you're going to need an anti-detect browser. And the one I recommend is multi-login. You're going to find the link in the description. So once you create an account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And as you can see for yourself, I have used this browser to create several YouTube accounts, and I'm currently using this profile here to manage multiple accounts for specific country. So once you come over here, all you then need to do is to click on create new profile. And since we are promoting an offer for United States audience, I'm going to type in US. This is just to keep you organized. Okay, so once you do this, all you then need to do is to scroll down to where it says proxy, and you want to click on custom. This is where you then want to go back to your Node Maven account to pick a proxy from United States. And this is because we want YouTube to recommend our content to people in United States. And that way we are driving the right traffic to the offer, and we are likely to make money that way. So you want to come over to the country section, and here you want to type in the country of that CPA offer, which is United States. You can leave every other thing as default. And here you want to change this to one proxy, and you want to copy this proxy. So once you copy the proxy, you want to go back to your anti-detect browser, and you want to paste in the proxy here like this. So this is all you need to do. Then you want to click on create profile. So as you can see, our profile has been created. All we then need to do from here is to click on launch. So once the browser opens up, all you then need to do from here is to go over to youtube.com. And all you need to do is to create a YouTube account, and you want to click on the sign in button. So once you create a channel, you want to then give your channel a name, just like I've done right here. And you want to try to make it as related to that offer as possible. All right, so I'm going to take travel scope as an example. And here I'm also going to give the channel a name like this. So once you do this, the final thing you then want to do is to add a picture. It's very important, as this is going to increase your conversion rate, because once people see a picture of a human being, they are more likely to trust the account, and they will know it's a human being and not a robot. And don't worry, you can easily come over to this platform, generated.photos. I'm going to leave it in the description as well, to generate a human-like image that you can use as your profile picture. And if you scroll down here, as you can see, these images are created from scratch by AI, which are perfect for running ads, design, and marketing. So all you need to do once you come over to the platform is to come over to this photos section, and here you want to click on faces. So once you do that, as you can see, this is where you can create image that you can use as your profile picture, and you can select whatever gender you want. So for me, I'm going to take male as an example, and for the age, I highly recommend to go with younger adults, because these are the people who are likely to complete these offers. And now I'm going to click on apply. So once you do that, as you can see, in a matter of seconds, it has generated a lot of images we can use. And as you can see, this is the exact image I used in one of my accounts. So you can just simply right click here, and you can save any of this image straight away to your device. So once you do that, as you can see, you can then upload that image, and you can then click on publish. So once you do that, this is literally all you need to do on your account. And then you want to come over to this upload section. So if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. All you need to do is to click on create, and you want to then click on create post. So you want to then come over to the image section, and this is where you want to upload the image of that CPA offer. So once you upload the image of the offer like this, you want to then come over to this section, and this is where you want to enter the title of that offer. And you can add some nice emojis here just to captivate people's attention. The next thing you want to then do is to enter related hashtags, as this is because we want to target people who are in United States and also people who are interested in travel. And now to do that, you want to come over to this free tool to generate YouTube hashtags we are going to be using to get seen by our target audience. And don't worry, I'm going to leave a link to this tool in the description. So all you need to do here is to type in the keyword of that offer, okay? And then you want to click on generate. So once you do this, in a matter of seconds, it has generated these hashtags that all we simply need to do is to include it in our post. So once you do that, all you then simply need to do is to make sure to include link in comment so that people know they can find the link in the comments. Okay, so once you do this, all you simply need to do from here is to then click on post. As you can see, this post has been created on our YouTube channel. So the last step is to come over to the comment section of this post. All you simply need to do from here is to type in a comment like this, right, which is going to include the title of the offer and then the shortened link. Okay, so once you do this, all you need to do is to then click on comment. And once you click on comment, as you can see, you can pin this comment to the top. So you want to repeat this same process and do this for at least 5 to 10 offers every single day. And I can assure you, you are going to get amazing results promoting CPA offers with YouTube community posts.